Ready to make the most of your SunPower system? In this video, we'll show you how to monitor your solar, storage, and electricity use from anywhere with the mySunPower app. Let's start with the home screen, where you can easily check the current status of your system and see whether your home is using solar energy, drawing power from the grid, or sending excess solar energy back to the grid for a credit. And if you have SunVault storage, you can also see if your battery is charging or powering your home with stored solar energy. You can check this status day or night and see how solar production changes in cloudy, rainy, or snowy weather. Curious how appliances affect your energy usage? Simply open the app, turn on an appliance, and watch your live data refresh in a matter of seconds. Now, let's look at historical data available in the Analyze tab. Our built-in reporting tracks energy consumption and trends by day, month, year, and the lifetime of your system. In the day view, get insights on everything from how you use energy during your morning routine, workday, or even while charging an electric vehicle overnight. Switch to the year view to easily see how your solar and grid usage changed from month to month or season to season. You can also see summarized totals of your energy mix, your estimated savings, and our favorite part, the positive impact your use of solar has had on the environment. If your home is backed up with SunVault storage, you'll see an extra tab called SunVault. Here, you'll find all pertinent information about storage, including your battery status and charge level. You can also set your SunVault power preferences right in the app. SunVault operates in 3 standard modes: cost savings, self-supply, and reserve. Choose cost savings mode to use backup solar power whenever grid electricity is most expensive. In this mode, SunVault automatically adjusts your energy mix, including how much solar gets sent back to the grid to maximize your savings. Or choose self-supply mode to prioritize storing energy on-site over sending excess solar to the grid. In this mode, whenever your solar system is producing more solar energy than you're using, your SunVault battery is replenished first before any excess is sent to the grid, building your backup supply in case you need extra juice. In either of these modes, you can reserve a portion of your battery for unexpected power outages. By setting a reserve, your SunVault battery will never discharge backup power below this percentage, ensuring you can run some essential appliances in an outage. On the other hand, if you know rolling blackouts or storms are headed your way, you can reserve 100% of your battery in reserve mode. This mode ensures your battery is fully charged and on standby, ready to power your home when you need it most. SunPower systems are virtually maintenance-free, but if you ever need help, you can reach us through the app by tapping the Profile tab, then selecting Help and Support. Simply call or email and we'll be happy to help you out. So start your journey with mySunPower today. Download the Android or iOS app and get power at your fingertips.